Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami bottle, and it's very simple to fold. And so I'm going to show you how to make this, and this is actually based on my other bottle. And so I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm going to show you how to three-dimensionalize it like this. See? And I'm going to show you how to put this hole on the bottom so that way it stands. Check this out. And make this bottom right here so that way it can stand. See? Just like that. And oh, and by the way, I have a second channel. It's called Wildlife Guy 04. So if you want to check that channel out, go to the description. So I have two channels now. And alright, so without further ado, I'm going to show you how to make this origami bottle. Alright, here goes. Okay, so let's begin right side up. And we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, this is going to be the thickness of, where is it? Okay, of the cap right here. So if you want it to be fatter, fold it up more, but if you want it to be more narrow, fold it less. But I say about this much is good. It's about like this. Alright, increase that sharp. Okay, and now comes the hardest step. What we're going to do is we're going to divide this into thirds. So we're going to fold this up so that this is equal to this, and just eyeball it for now. And now fold this part over like this, and just fiddle with the folds until they align. Okay, just like this. And yep, looks like I got it. So once you're happy with your thirds, pinch. And let's repeat on this side. Fiddle with the folds until you're happy with them. Pinch. Okay, now color side up and fold this edge to these two crease marks. Okay, unfold, rotate, and fold this edge to this crease. Okay, and now we're going to stick one flap inside the other, and it doesn't really matter which one. So you can fold this down and stick this one into there, or you can fold this and stick it into there. I'm going to keep this one folded, and I'm going to tuck this flap in. So how are we going to tuck them in? Well, there is a pocket right here. Lift this raw edge up and refold this, sticking this edge into this pocket, like this. Yep, not too tricky yet. This is a pretty simple model, so if you're new to this, this is a nice one to try out. Okay, make sure everything's flat. Alright, so this colored strip, that's the bottle cap. Okay, and now either side up, because both sides are the same. And we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge, but don't actually fold it, just make a crease mark. Right there, like that. And repeat on this side. So take this edge and fold it here, or fold this point to the crease mark, and just make a crease mark. Right there. Okay, and now fold this up in between the two crease marks. Okay, now unfold, and now turn over, and make sure that this crease is a mountain fold. And now we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, you could do it to taste, but actually there is kind of a guide mark. Just I'm going to estimate thirds on this white part. So I'm going to fold it so that this is equal to that right there. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just like that is good. It's not really that important. Just do the best you can. Okay, like that. And that's what it looks like right there. Okay, now the rest of the folds are pretty much to taste now. So we're just going to shape the bottle to taste. And we're going to first make this part of the bottle. So fold this up, and I'm going to fold it so that this point right here aligns with this edge of the color right there. Like this, and then we're going to squash right here. And this is to taste. You can even go further like this, or you can go maybe less like this. I think it just depends on what this part will look like. If you want it fatter or narrower. I think if you want it fatter, fold it less, and narrow, fold it up more. But I say about this is good. And you can just squash however it flattens right there. It's to taste. Do it however you want. like that, and repeat on this side. I'm going to fold it about like that to taste, and then I'm going to squash right here. And maybe if you want, you can make the squash funky looking right there. It doesn't matter, it's a squash, but just for the heck of it, I'm just going to make it cleaner. This is the back of the bottle, so this is not the side you want to see. Alright, like that. Okay, and now let's kind of round it more. You might like this, but that looks kind of funky looking. So let's round it. So we're going to make a little paper airplane fold. So fold like this to taste. And make sure you fold on this point though. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, and let's do it on the bottom. Why not? Fold it to taste. Like that. Alright, and once we did that, here is our bottle completed. And yeah, it is pretty cool looking. So yeah, I love how it's so simple to fold. And so there it is. And maybe if you want, you can maybe narrow the cap a little bit. This actually makes it lock a little bit better. You can just fold this up however much you want. Maybe about, like, just fold it up just a little bit like this. And the nice thing about this fold is that it keeps these flaps down. See? And keeps that nice and sharp, like this. Maybe use the table and do it. Okay, see? Just like that. See? And now it's more flat right there. Okay, so there it is. So if you like it like that, then you are all done. But if you want to make it more three-dimensional like this, and if you want to put this hole on the bottom, where you can make it a stand, like this. Let me just turn the light a little bit so you can see it better. Okay. See, if you want to make it stand like that, then here's how to do that. Okay, so we're gonna do is, let's first make the hole. So we're gonna put our finger in here like this, kind of open the hole. Be careful that these don't come undone. This is actually kind of tricky to do. Do this at your own risk. But here we go. I'm gonna try and be as careful as I can. So open up the hole like this, and just take these two sides and just bring them together like this. Yeah, I got my windows open, so there's gonna be a little bit of background noise. Okay. Yeah, it's somebody's dog. Okay. So just kind of, and you can just pinch right here. And this is to taste, actually. See? Just make it like that. See? And let's see if it stands. Yep. Okay. And if you want, you can kind of three-dimensionalize the sides, like I did with this model. You don't need to do this, but I'm going to. It makes it stand out better. So you can just push down right here and kind of make a curved fold to taste, like this. See? Like that. And repeat on this side. And it's a little bit easier right here because there's no raw edges. And it helps to kind of maybe put something inside. Kind of puff it up a little bit so it makes it easier. There we go. Oh yeah, it's way easier. Okay. Then you just make a curved fold like this. And if you want to puff it out a little bit more, just stick something in there and just kind of do something like that. And now it is three-dimensional. Yep, and it stands. You have to kind of fiddle with it. There you go. It balances just like that. See? Maybe you can blow on it. Knock it down like that for fun. And yeah, see if it... Yeah, it's not really a good spinner. But yeah, anyways, there it is. The origami bottle. And yeah. And if you want to fold an origami kick scooter, I'll have a video for that right here. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this bottle and were able to make it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.